Hi guys, recently I bought this PlayStation wireless controller, and it's actually the original, the PS5 controller, and I bought it on the classic edition, which is white and with this black sense. It's really nice. It feels comfortable. It's obviously, well, you gotta hear my old PS4 controller. It's a bit more, you've got your hands a little bit more centered within them. It really feels a difference. The touchpad feels amazing. I didn't really love the touchpad on the PS4, but these times I quite like it. And something that I quite like, which is really nice, is that the PS button. It's different. It's not like a round button. It's just a silhouette of the PlayStation logo, and it has obviously here the jack to connect your headphones. The controller came with its Type C to Type C cable, which is nice. You can connect, you can actually connect any other cable, and what I like a lot is that you can connect it directly to your energy outlet. So sometimes you're playing something and your controller is running out of battery, and you don't wanna get close to your PS5. You've got it farther away from you. You can just plug it in onto your electrical outlet, and it's really nice. I don't think the PS4 controller did that. I once tested it and it didn't work out. But it's a nice feature that you have most close connection. The haptics of the trigger, they're really nice. I actually love them. I think that they are underused on certain games, and for example on the newest Call of Duty, they're really nice. It feels amazing when you're shooting, which is something good to, it's more immersive. And I like this, like the sign that the buttons have. They're like clear plastic that you can see, and it's great on buttons, and they're really nice. Fits your hands perfectly. You can charge it really fast. I mean, it takes very much time to charge it, and they are amazing. I like it a lot. Now I can play with another person, not just by myself when I'm at home, and I would really recommend it. They're really nice. Very slick design, and I like them. See ya.